hi, how you doing? Wanna talk, wanna play, wanna go get something to eat, wanna cuddle, wanna smooch? Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back. So I've had a really good productive day. This will be the third video that I'm filming today. Awesome sauce. I just got groceries delivered to me from Smith's. They use Instacart. It's awesome. Let me share with you what I got. 60 large eggs. Yes, because tomorrow is breakfast freezer meal day. 2 gallons of skim milk. Some baby spinach. Mushrooms. Mini pepperonis. 2 cartons of raspberries. Those look good. Lemons. And 4 loaves of bread. Yes, 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 yes. It was awesome. I think like to deliver it was $9 and then I had a tip, but honestly like I would have gone in and bought things that we either didn't need or didn't need like right now. So in all, it does save me money. So anywho, I didn't have to leave the house to go grocery shopping. Yes, because I just didn't have time today. I've been taken out of the home all week, and I do need to go out tonight with Derek. We have some things that we got to get done, but I haven't had a chance just to be home. So here's what's going on. I want to clean and pick up the house, and when the kids get home, they'll do their zones, but my house is not looking so good because we've been gone. Well, the kids are gonna be home soon. Jonah will be home sooner. So he's gonna be here soon. So I want to clean my house. I wanted to do it in an hour, but I ran out of time because I had to eat. Oh my gosh, heaven forbid. But it was a BLT and it was delicious. Yes. So I wanna get the house picked up before they get in, and then they could come in and do their zones as well. But I am going crazy because it looks like poo. I'm just gonna do a speed clean, 30 minutes. I'm setting my timer. Whatever I can get done in 30 minutes is done. And that way when the kids walk in, I could be mom, I could be wife. But with today, I'm surprised I got anything done because, oh yeah, Mr. Toodles has been working from home. And when Mr. Toodles works from home, it's very distracting because I'm like, hi, 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 talk to me, hi. So, but he's been awesome and letting me work because he has to work. I had to work today. So we've been good. We were able to be productive. But a lot of the time when he's home working, I'm like, hi, how you doing? Wanna talk, wanna play, wanna go get something to eat, wanna cuddle, wanna smooch? I don't know. So anyway, all right, I'm gonna set my timer right now for 30 minutes. And when it beeps, I'm done. The kids will be home and they can do their chores. So you guys wanna speed clean with me? Apron's on, let's go. All right, to put these groceries away, I need to make room. Okay, I've got strawberries that need to use up. So I'm gonna get them in a baggie and then a Ziploc hide, and then a Ziploc baggie in the freezer with the other strawberries and berries that are about to go bad, because these can go into smoothies. Oh, look at this itty bitty strawberry. Oh, I'm out of quart bags, I think. I'm gonna put these in here with these ones that are already in there. feels so much better. So when I start to make dinner, I have a clean spot. Oh, that feels good. Voila, that feels so good. Now they could come home, have their snack, work on any homework if they have any, or sit here and read. Oh, that feels good. Okay, I haven't switched these yet. So all week we've just, with our eye, moved it down. So Boston has the dishes in dishwasher. So after he settles in from school, he will empty it because it didn't get emptied this morning. And yeah, I'll have him do that. I'm missing a pillow. I don't know where it is, but that is better. Very inviting to read a book on. Oh, it's going off. All right. Stop. So my 30 minutes is up and I was able to straighten and clean out the refrigerator, clean all this up, clean this up, put everything away, and make that area feel inviting. 30 minutes goes by fast. All right, so I still have dishes that needs to get done. So, but Boston will be walking in the door any minute. He's gonna have a snack and relax, and he's gonna empty the dishwasher, and then I'll do the dishes as I'm cooking dinner. So for dinner, we're going to have shepherd's pie because I have leftover potatoes from the Mississippi roast. So I'm already one step ahead with dinner. I don't have to make the potatoes, so. All right, so I'm gonna go into the freezer in the garage and grab some hamburger. All right, we have our cow coming soon. Thank goodness, look how bare we are on the meat. So I just got deliveries grocered to me.